By the end of this video, you're going to know the 5 fastest ways to get a green card in 2024. Please don't skip the last 2 because they're the fastest to get done right now, and a lot of people think they're the easiest.
First, thank you for considering migrating to the USA and believing that America is worthy of your aspirations. America can be defined by one word: possibilities. Since its founding, the idea of possibilities has been nurtured, enriched, and advanced by the contributions, sacrifices, and dreams of immigrants like you. With potential changes in U.S. immigration policy, now is the best time to immigrate.
Now, let's look at the 5 fastest ways to get a green card. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe this channel, so YouTube can recommend it to others interested in immigration topics. The first and the fastest option is marriage to a U.S. citizen. Introduction. Marrying a U.S. citizen offers a direct route to immigrate to the United States. Let's explore the process, benefits, and potential drawbacks. The process is as follows. 1. Form I-130. The U.S. citizen spouse files Form I-130 with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, U.S.CIS. 2. K-3 visa. While the petition is pending, your spouse can apply for a non-immigrant K-3 visa, allowing them to live and work in the U.S.A. 3. Conditional green card. Upon approval, your spouse receives a 2-year conditional green card. 4. Form I-751. Before the card expires, file to remove conditions. 5. Permanent green card. Once approved, your spouse gets a 10-year permanent green card, renewable indefinitely. Pros. Fast track. Marriage-based immigration is quicker than other pathways. Family unity. You can live together in the U.S. as a family. Work authorization. Your spouse can work legally during the process. Cons. Conditional status. The initial green card is conditional, requiring additional steps. Documentation burden. You must prove the authenticity of your marriage. Relationship strain. Marital issues can impact the process. Conclusion. Marrying a U.S. citizen provides a straightforward path to permanent residency, but it's essential to understand the responsibilities and challenges involved.
Next, let us examine the family reunification visas, which is bringing loved ones together. Introduction. Family reunification is a vital pathway for immigrants seeking to unite with their relatives in the United States. Let's explore how to obtain a family reunification visa, along with its pros and cons. Eligibility and relationships. 1. Eligible relationships. U.S. citizens can sponsor their parents, spouses, and unmarried children under 21. 2. Petition filing. The sponsoring U.S. citizen files Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, with U.S.CIS. 3. Timelines. The process duration varies, 9 months to 5 years, depending on the relationship and visa category. Pros. 1. Emotional bond. Reuniting with family members fosters emotional well-being. 2. Legal status. Approved beneficiaries receive lawful permanent residency, green card. Work authorization. Beneficiaries can work legally in the U.S. Cons. 1. Processing delays. Timelines can be lengthy due to high demand. 2. Documentation burden. Rigorous evidence of the relationship is required. 3. Limited relationships. Not all family members qualify. Example: siblings. Conclusion. Navigating family reunification involves patience, paperwork, and understanding the nuances. But the reward of being together with loved one is immeasurable.
Next is political asylum in the U.S.A. path to permanent residency. Seeking political asylum in the United States offers a crucial pathway for those fleeing persecution. Let's explore how to obtain asylum, its advantages, and potential challenges. The process. 1. Form I-589. Within 1 year of arriving in the U.S., file Form I-589, application for asylum and for withholding of removal. 2. Interview. Attend an asylum interview with an immigration officer. 3. Recent changes. Interviews are now scheduled faster, often within 2 months of filing. Pros. 1. Swift transition. Successful asylum applicants can obtain a green card within a year. 2. Permanent residency. Asylees become permanent residents, enjoying the benefits of living in the U.S. 3. Family unity. Asylees can bring eligible family members to join them. Cons. 1. Complex process. Asylum applications require detailed evidence and adherence to deadlines. 2. Legal guidance. Seek legal assistance to navigate the complexities effectively. Conclusion. Political asylum provides a lifeline for those facing persecution, offering safety and a chance for a new beginning in the U.S.
What is the E-1 visa? The E-1 visa allows nationals of treaty countries to work in the U.S. while engaging in substantial trade between the U.S. and their home country. This trade spans various industries, including transportation, communication, banking, advertising, and management. Benefits of the E-1 visa. 1. Legal work authorization. E-1 visa holders can legally work in the United States. 2. Flexible travel. They can freely travel in and out of the U.S. 3. Renewable. The visa can be renewed indefinitely for up to 2 years at a time. 4. Family accommodation. Spouses and unmarried children under 21 can also qualify for E-1 status, with children attending school and spouses applying for employment authorization, EAD. Requirements. 1. Treaty country nationality. Applicants must be nationals of a treaty country. As of now, eligible countries include Argentina, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Japan, and the United Kingdom, among others. 2. Trade requirement. The applicant must engage in substantial trade between the U.S. and their home country. 3. Ownership. If the treaty trader is a business, at least 50% of the business must be owned by nationals of the treaty country. 4. Employee eligibility. Only employees who are nationals of the treaty country can apply for the E-1 visa too. Conclusion. The E-1 treaty trader visa provides a pathway for international business professionals to work in the U.S. while fostering trade relationships. Its flexibility, family benefits, and renewable status make it an attractive option for those engaged in cross-border commerce. 3. Remember to consult an immigration lawyer for personalized guidance.
What is the EB-5 visa? The EB-5 visa allows foreign investors to obtain a green card, permanent residency, by investing in a U.S. commercial enterprise and creating or preserving at least 10 full-time jobs for qualified U.S. workers. Here are the key points. 1. Investment amount. The minimum investment required is $1.8 million. However, if the investment is made in a targeted employment area, T, where unemployment rates are higher, the minimum investment is reduced. 2. Conditional green card. Initially, investors receive a conditional green card valid for 2 years. During this period, they must fulfill the investment and job creation requirements. 3. Permanent residency. After 2 years, investors can apply to remove the conditions and obtain a permanent green card. Family inclusion. Investors can include their spouse and unmarried children under 21 in the application. Pros. 1. Path to citizenship. After 5 years of permanent residency, investors can apply for U.S. citizenship. 2. Family benefits. Spouses and children can also benefit from the EB-5 visa. 3. Investment flexibility. Investors can choose between T and non-T projects. 4. Job creation, contributing to job growth in the U.S. economy. 5. Education opportunities, access to U.S. universities for family members. Cons 1. Conditional status. The initial green card is conditional, subject to meeting investment and job creation requirements. 2. Active involvement. Investors must actively participate in the business. Complex process. Navigating the EB-5 process can be intricate. 3. Investment risk. The success of the investment project affects the outcome. 4. Legal costs. Seeking legal assistance is advisable due to the complexity. Remember, consulting an immigration lawyer is crucial to making informed decisions based on your unique circumstances. Also, please retain a financial consultant.
There is also a diversity visa. The Diversity Visa Lottery Program offers a chance for individuals from eligible countries to apply for a green card. Successful applicants are selected randomly through a computer-generated lottery system. If chosen, they can proceed with the green card application process, which typically takes around a year or more to complete. The chances of winning a diversity visa lottery are quite low, as the program receives a large number of entries each year, and only a limited number of visas are available. However, for those who are selected, it presents a unique opportunity to obtain permanent residency in the United States.
Folks, to advance liberty and justice, we need to secure our borders and fix the immigration system. Immigration reform is supported by everyone from labor unions and religious leaders to the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.